So what can realtors learn from actor Will Smith? It wasn't too long ago that everybody liked Chris Rock and everybody liked Will Smith. Now everybody likes Chris Rock and everybody likes Chris Rock. But Will Smith knew how to get our attention, didn't he? In the lowest rated Oscars in history, all of a sudden he slaps Chris Rock. People are going on their phones, you got to see this, you got to see this, and everybody's watching the Oscars. And that's what realtors need to learn how to do, is to get the client's attention. So my mentor and friend Floyd Wickman taught me, never talk to inattention. That's what real estate agents need to learn how to do, and that's what fearless agents learn how to do. When you're on a listing presentation, you need to get the seller's attention. We know how to do that right up front. Show the seller what's at stake, show them what they'll lose if they don't do business with us. And even when we're on the phone prospecting, we've got to get the seller's attention by letting them know why. Not that they need a real estate agent, they already know that. Why do they need a fearless agent? So the fearless agent coaching students are doing something completely different than all other coaching students are doing. We're showing them why they need us instead of every other realtor. We're differentiating ourselves from the competitors completely. That's what we teach you at Fearless Agent. By the way, in Fearless Agent, we teach you how to do 5 presentations: listing, pricing, FSBO, buyer, investor. We teach you how to present offers in a way nobody else knows how to do. We teach you how to negotiate the offers in a way nobody else knows how to do. You end up selling your listings for way more money than any other agent could, and the seller nets more money by tens of thousands of dollars in the worst case scenario, maybe hundreds of thousands of dollars in some price ranges, than they could get any other way or with any other agent. Would you like to learn how to do that? If you'd like to learn how to do that, what you should do is call me. Call me on my cell phone at 480-385-8810. See if I answer. I probably will, or I'll get right back to you. Please don't text me. Please don't email me. Call me and see if I answer. And then if you'd like to, subscribe to this channel, fearlessagent.tv. Press the subscribe button. Also, go to listen to our podcast. Go to fearlessagentpodcast.com. Listen to our podcast. See if what we do might be a good fit for you. So when you call me, I'll do a complimentary coaching call with you. We'll see if what you do and what you're trying to do in your real estate career and what we do at Fearless Agent, if it's a good fit. If it is a good fit, you'll get rich. If it's not a good fit, I'll admit that, and I'll help you in any other way I can for free. So go to fearlessagent.com, watch our free webinar. Go to fearlessagent.tv, where you are now, hit subscribe. Go to fearlessagentpodcast.com. And by the way, if you're a real estate company owner and you happen to be recruiting fewer producing agents than you wish you were, go to fearlessagentrecruiting.com. Watch that video, and right after it, give me a call. But either way, we want to make you a fearless agent. Thanks.